Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you the order of operation in mathematics. We have an acronym which we normally use: BIDMAS, BODMAS, PENDAS, and PINDAS, depending on where you are in the world. America especially use PENDAS or PINDAS, while in UK and the colony of UK, India, Nigeria, and other parts use BODMAS or BIDMAS. All mean the same thing. Now I'm going to break it down. We have B here, we have B, we have P, we have P. B means brackets and P means parentheses. Parentheses and bracket means the same thing. Then we move to the next acronym. We have I here, O, I, and E. I means indices. O means order, and E means exponential. All means the same thing. They means power. Then we move to the third one. We have D, D, M, M. D means division, while M means multiplication. In order of operation, division and multiplication, they are ranked the same. They have the same priority. You solve from the left to right. Whichever comes first, you solve from the left to right. And the third one, we still have multiplication and division. Multiplication comes first. The rules still remain: solve from left to right. Then we have A, which stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In order of operation, addition and subtraction, anyone that comes first, you solve from left to right. Now we have known the full meaning of the acronym BODMAS, BIDMAS, PENDAS, and PENDAS. Then let's take example. We start from the simplest one. Example 1. Simplify 6 minus 3 times bracket minus 2 raised to the power of 2. In normal circumstances, people might solve it this way: 6 minus 3 gives us 3. Minus 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as minus 2 times 2, which gives us 4. Then our answer is 12, which is wrong. Now, the correct one, we have to follow order of operation, which is BODMAS or BIDMAS. In this question, we have to solve the bracket first. So when we take 2 raised to the power of 2, we have 6 minus 3 times solving the bracket or the index with minus 2 raised to the power of 2 is the same thing as 4. Now, following the rules of order of operation, we don't have division. Next is multiplication. Consider these two first. And when we multiply 3 by 4, we have 12. Then we have 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 gives us minus 6 as the correct answer. So this is correct, while this is wrong. Now we move further. We take example 2. Then example 2, we take the simple one: 8 plus 4 times 3. Solution. Using BIDMAS, we consider multiplication first. We have 8 plus 4 times 3. Consider multiplication first. We solve this, which gives us 4 times 3 gives us 12 plus 8, which finally gives us 20 as the answer. Then we move further. We take example 3. If we have 5 minus 2 all raised to the power of 2, solution: 5 minus 2 all raised to the power of 2. Using BODMAS, we solve the bracket first. And when we solve the bracket, we have 5 minus 2 gives us 3 raised to the power of 2. And our answer becomes 9. Then we take example 4. Example 4, if we have 12 divided by 3 times 2. In this case, we solve from left to right because division and multiplication has the same priority. The rule is solve from left to right. So what we do here, we first solve these two. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4 times 2, and the final answer becomes 8. Now let's take more example with negative number. We have been dealing with positive number. For example, minus 7 plus 12. The answer is just minus 7 plus 12. It's like you are owing £7 and you work and you'll be paid £12. After the payment, you will have £5 left. So minus 7 plus 12 gives us 5. Then we take another example. I call this one 1. This is example 2. Then if we have minus 4 minus bracket 9, will give us solution. We have minus 4 minus bracket minus 9 is the same thing as minus 4. We open the bracket, gives us minus 9. And minus times minus gives us plus. Minus gives us plus 9. And the final answer is minus 4 plus 9 gives us 5. Then we move further. If I take another example, we call example 3. Then if I have 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 5 times bracket minus 2. Now, approaching this question, we have to use BIDMAS. And in this case, we have first the bracket. Bracket here we have only one item inside, meaning it's just representing one unit. Then we go to index, which is 3 raised to the power of 2 first, minus 5 times minus 2 in bracket is the same thing as 9, which is 3 times 3, minus 5 times minus 2. Next step, we take multiplication, meaning we have to solve this. First, we have 9 minus, when we solve multiplication, 5 times minus 2, we have minus 10. In operation, when we have minus, it's changing to plus, which is 9 plus 10. Our answer becomes 19. Or you can say 3 raised to the power of 2 minus 5 times minus 2 in bracket is the same thing as we work out the power, which is 3 raised to the power of 2, which gives us 9. Now we have to multiply. 5, we take this operation minus sign, which is minus 5 times minus 2, which gives us plus 10. And when we add up, it gives us 19. Now we move further. We take another example. We call this one example 4. If we have 4 minus 7 raised to the power of 2, solution, this is the same thing as 4 minus 7 all raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4 minus 7 gives us minus 3 all raised to the power of 2, which finally gives us minus 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9. Then another one, example 5. If we have 18 divided by minus 3 in brackets plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Solution, using BIDMAS, which we have here, we have to solve the power first, which is index. We have 18 divided by minus 3 in brackets plus 2 raised to the power of 3 gives us 8. Then what next? We go for division. Division is 18 divided by, we consider these two, 18 divided by minus 3 gives us minus 6 plus 8. Minus 6 plus 8 gives us positive 2 as the answer. Example 6 is 5 minus 2 times bracket minus 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 4. This example 6 is GCSE question grade 6/7. Pause and solve this question using the first example I did. Follow the steps, then you will arrive at the answer. Then double check if you have the same answer with me. Solution. First, using BIDMAS, we have to solve the index. Then we have 5 minus 2 times minus 3 raised to the power of 2 gives us minus 3 times minus 3, which is 9 plus 4. The next step, we have to solve multiplication. If we solve the multiplication, we are having equal to 5 minus 2 times 9 gives us 18 plus 4. Then the final step says addition and subtraction. They have the same priority. solve from left to right. And if we solve from left to right, 5 minus 18 gives us minus 13. Minus 13 plus 4 gives us minus 9 as the final answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share so I can bring more other video. Thank you.